All right.
This has been a sad and wonderful day. Before, we found this beautiful snake, and now we have to let it go so that it doesn't die. We're going to let it go in Mom's garden since it's a gardener snake. And we really like it, and we don't want to let it go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put it in the middle.
All right.
And
Stop,
we're going to
Zach.
put it in the middle of the garden and say goodbye for our last time.
Bye-bye. You've been such a help for my homework. You made me finish my homework.
Here we go. Come on. We named it Slithers while we had it. One last little picture of him before we actually put him away.
She doesn't really intend to let him go. He's too close. He's too blurry. You have to back up. I've already got a bunch of pictures of him.
I don't care.
Okay. All right.
Can you show all those to my not the video! Not the video!
Here we go. No.
Put him down and let's call it a day.
No, let's put him where he belongs, where we found him.
Ah.
Yeah! Let's go! Daddy Bugs! Let's go! Kick the wall! This turn it.
All right, let him go.
Let's give it up for Snake Team. No!
Mara, put him down.
We can't.
Yes, you can. Now walk away. Walk away from the snake. Walk away from the snake.
Away.
Now go get ready for bed.
Away. You're close.
For bed.
I'm close.
Bed. James, go. Zachary, go.